Howdy folks, I'm Chris from TerryTown. We're here today to show you how to use your Husky Centerline TS. Alright folks, so this is what you look like all hitched up ready to go with the exception of our jack. I'm going to show you here today, and I'm going to show you how to unhitch. And how we unhitch is leave it coupled to the ball, jacking it up, relieving the tension off the bars. So the higher you go, the easier it's going to be for you to take your bars off and put your bars on. The only time that you're going to have a difficulty time putting your bars on or taking your bars off is when your truck's on an incline, trailer's on a decline, truck or trailer's off side to side, or off on an angle from your trailer. All right, so we're going to start jacking this up, relieving the pressure off the bars. So once you can move these bars back and forth, it's a good indication that you're up high enough to take your bars off. So as long as you can do that there, you're up high enough to take your bars off. All right, so to take the bars off, we're going to take the safety pin, store it up here. Keeper pin's always up over top of the bar, so the bar don't come over top of the pins. And take that and store it up over top of the frame. Now there's a two-step process of taking the bar off. Step one is taking this notch here and this notch here, going up underneath the bar and on that front pin. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pry that bar up. It's going to come up, slide back, stop, and lift. Once they feel it lift up is when you want to stop. All right, so it's going to come up, slide back, stop, and lift. So stop right there. Okay, we're going to take it from this position here. Bring your handle straight up and down. Big hook, little hook in towards the frame. Notch up underneath the bar and on that front pin. Now when you're in this position here and it feels like you're fighting to get the bar off, stop. Don't fight with the bar. Take a step back to step one, just like so. Pry that bar out just a little bit more. Come back up to step two. Grab firm with both hands, stand off to the side and give it a pull. And so if it don't come off that easy, you're doing something wrong. And how we remove the bars, we simply take the safety pin out, slides right out, just by going like that there. All right. And after you get this side off, it's the exact same thing on the other side. So you just let your truck down, release your ball, release your chains, your 7-weight and your emergency trailer brake cable. So after you release your ball, you jack it up and pull it out from underneath. And now we're going to show you how to put your weight distribution back on. So now we're going to just drop it down on the ball, locking it down. So every time you're hitching up and unhitching, you're going to be locked down to the ball. Since how we're locked down to the ball now, we're going to take one of our bars, slide around up in there, take your pin, line up your holes, lock down your pin. Now we're going to jack it up until the top of this bar hits the top of that pad. Just like that there, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our tool here and take this notch here in the nose, going about 3 finger widths apart away from the pad, going up underneath the bar and in that center hole. Now the only reason why I say center hole is if you're off on either one of the pins, you have that chance for that bar to roll off, and that center hole locks it in place. So now you're going to stand nice and square, take that bar and go all the way up and over with your bar. Taking your keeper pin up over top of the bar, safety pin right back in the safety hole. Then we're going to let all the weight back down on the vehicle. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions on your Husky Centerline, feel free to give us a call here at TerryTown RV. Thanks, and have a great day.